Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor registry changes with Process Monitor step by step. A Process Monitor is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you track registry activity in real time, making it easier to troubleshoot software installations, configuration changes, and Windows errors. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. As soon as the application launches, it will begin capturing system activity, including file system events, process activity, and registry operations. Next, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause the event stream, then open the Filter menu and choose Filter. Add a filter for the process or application you want to monitor, then click Add and OK. This removes unrelated events and helps you focus only on the registry activity you're interested in. Now resume capturing by clicking the Capture button again. Perform the action you want to monitor, such as launching a program, changing an application setting, or installing software. Process Monitor will record every registry operation performed by the selected process. When you're done, pause the capture and review the results. You'll see details such as the process name, registry key, operation type, result, and timestamp. Double-click any event to view additional information and better understand what changes were made. If you want to keep the results for future analysis or share them with someone else, save the captured events as a log file before closing Process Monitor. And that's it. You now know how to monitor registry changes with Process Monitor and use it to troubleshoot Windows and application issues more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.